Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So how to change the screen grid on any Android device. So today we have this tablet Samsung Galaxy S6 Lite. So how are we gonna change the grid, home screen grid? So in order to do that, we can get into the settings. In the settings you will find home screen. When you choose home screen, you will find home screen grid. So we're gonna choose home screen grid. Here you have four options. So we can choose from these four options: 5 by 5, 6 by 5, 8 by 5, 10 by 5. So I'm gonna keep my tablet 6 by 5 and it's more suitable for me. You can change to 8 by 5 or 10 by 5, but I'm gonna keep this tablet 6 by 5, and that's how you change your home screen grid settings in any Android tablet or any Android phone. Thank you for watching tutorial videos, guys. Please subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.